this video I'm going to show you the Skimbot. It's a solar powered surface cleaner for your pool. And the first thing you're going to notice about the Skimbot is that it's a very lightweight and compact solar powered surface skimmer. And there are no cords or plugs for the Skimbot. The solar panels will charge the cleaner as it's running in your pool each day. It'll also store some of the power in the internal battery. And let me show you the Skimbot's debris basket. It's very easy to remove. So the debris tray will hold about one skimmer basket full of debris. And on the front is this paddle, which will draw in the debris as it's moving in your pool. And on the front are 4 infrared sensors. This will keep the Skimbot from getting caught in any areas of your pool. It also helps the Skimbot avoid obstacles. And here's a good look at the infrared sensors at work in the Skimbot. Here it is in the pool, approaching the shallow area where it has a Baja step. And you can see how it navigates this area really easily. And here's a Skimbot in a pool with a ladder in the deep end. You can see how it navigates the handle area of the pool and how it turns out without getting stuck by the step area in this pool. And if you have an automatic cleaner in your pool, a suction side cleaner or a pressure side cleaner, and the hoses are on top of the pool, the Skimbot has no problems navigating around your pool. Even with the cleaner hoses there, it'll push them towards the side of the pool, or the Skimbot will turn itself around at some point. One of the things that I really like about the Skimbot is it doesn't get hung up on automatic cleaner hoses, and it navigates pools with cleaners in it very well. And you would simply download the Pool Robot app onto your device. This is what you're going to use to start and stop the Skimbot and also set it up. And you simply push start to start the Skimbot. And if your pool gets a lot of surface debris all week long, the Skimbot would be a perfect addition to your pool to help keep the pool surface clean. It'll also keep the automatic cleaner on the bottom from getting clogged up with leaves, as it picks up a lot of leaves on the surface before they fall to the bottom. So it's a great way to keep your pool looking clean all week long. And I really like the fact that the Skimbot is a solar power cleaner, so there are no cords or hoses in your pool. It's a great way to keep your pool looking swim ready all week long. And let me show you the debris that I picked up here at this pool. You can see it does a great job with large leaf debris as well as the smaller particle debris. And just be aware, because of the paddle and the size of the opening, this is probably the largest debris it'll pick up without jamming the paddle. There's a really nice RC mode. You can take control of the Skimbot. You can move the Skimbot forward. You can also turn it. If you wanted to use the Skimbot to spot clean your pool, you can use the remote that's built into the app to take control of the Skimbot. That's a look at the Skimbot Solar Power Surface Cleaner. I really like the interactive app that comes with the cleaner, and it's a great compact surface cleaner for your pool. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.